Hi, Tough Tractors here. This is a Yanmar F165D four-wheel drive tractor. Has a factory installed tiller on it. Has auto tilt right there, so you can tilt whatever implement you have on it with the push of a button. Great option if you want to slope a driveway or something like that. It's got a 4-foot bucket. That'll lift about 750 pounds, and it goes up about 7 feet, a little over 7 feet. Super low hours, only 1,029 hours. It has the on and off 4-wheel drive, quick turn 4-wheel drive, 3-speed PTO with a high and low and 3 gears, so basically 6 forward gears. Really good shape. Tires are in good shape. Been completely serviced. No oil leaks. Body's in pretty good shape. It's got a new loader on it. Like I said, a 4-foot bucket. All new hydraulics. Easy to get on and off. There's no gear shifter to climb over. You just climb right over, sit on the seat. Get that started up. Joystick controller, so you can control the bucket with one hand. Lift it up, tilt it. It's a great tractor. That tiller's nice to get down your weeds. There you go, dogs. Bark right while I'm doing this. Anyhow, tiller's great. You can get all these weeds down. You see how I used a tiller on here not too long ago. It goes from that to this real easy without having to use a box scraper. Do have optional box scrapers. Made in the USA by a company out of Georgia. This isn't a YNM. That's basically a junky Yanmar that the Vietnamese buy. They take it apart, they spray paint everything, including the engine and everything. Looks brand new, but you don't know what you're getting. And this is an actual Yanmar. 4-wheel drive. F165D. Has a new seat. Great shape. If you want to see this tractor, any other tractors we have, you can go to our website at ToughTractors.com. ToughTractors.com.